back this stream. And this stream I'm going with a bit of a different approach. Instead of having chat being read out by a bot, I'm gonna have just a little chat box up here so I can read it anytime. I can confirm I am in fact live. So this stream is gonna follow a pretty similar. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, anyways, it's gonna follow a pretty similar schedule to last stream, where there'll be like me programming over here, and then we'll probably move over to MC or Minecraft, and then we'll do anything I want after that. That's the whole point of these streams. I do what I want, and no one can stop me. And I don't know. I'm still waking up. 11:31 and I'm still waking up, guys. Don't care, I'm still waking up. Which we start the day. 11:09 now, we're done the day, and it ain't too late for us. Well, guess let's get the show on the road. So, yesterday we were having a issue. I figured out what the issue was. It turns out it was I forgot to add, where the fuck is it? Up here. This line of code, which if I remove this, oh my god, if I can see my keyboard. If I remove that line of code, what's basically happening is it goes to the known types, it checks if it's 0, and then it is 0, meaning that meaning that it is in fact 0, meaning that it thinks it's a string with a length of 0, causing just a few issues. If I do this to my segfault, yeah, see that? So, because it's checking its character, and then immediately returning true, and then basically thinking everything is a valid type, causing just a few issues, chat. Just a few tiny issues. So, if I just add this, it finds two functions, the test function and main. Now, we do have a call find main function, but actually I think I'm going to remove this, and instead we are going to rely on this over down here to go grab all the files. Make any sense? So this function should still work. Yep. Okay, now another thing we have to do is we need to grab the first parts of this. So we can skip inputs for now. We're gonna have to work that out because there is two ways we can go about doing inputs, okay? We can go the traditional C way, where, oh my god, where we push it to the stack before calling it. So we can do like ESP+8 is the address that the input is in, or we can use the registers, but the registers can only work like sometimes. And what the fuck, who's messaging me? 1 sec, I'm gonna click off this for a second because I'm getting messages. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, moving on from that. Okay, so in the debug statement, we do print test function and main. I want to add to this the type of the function, so we can do that. We just gotta scroll down, and the final function in file loop. Let's have a look-see. Okay, so over here we also need to print the type, which to get the type as a... We're going to get the index of the type, and then we're going to have to convert that index. Bro, I need Paint to explain this shit. Okay. Ah, fuck. Okay, so currently, what we're doing is... Chat. Currently, we are storing everything kind of like this. So there'll be like a string. So there'll be a string. Don't worry, I had bad handwriting on a mouse. There'll be a string here, and then there'll just be null or 0. There's null, and then there's the other string. So, and then we turn this into a. We have 2 of these. We have another thing where instead of this null, this, because it's just a single byte, which is like, say in this it would be 1, and that is actually for the int. And then for 2, that would be for void, which I believe is actually the example. So basically, what we need to do is, if we want to find 1, we can find that this is index 0, okay? So we know it's going to be this one. But for this one, what we're going to have to do is, we're going to have to basically go through each letter. Go through each letter. Go for each letter until we reach a null byte, okay? Until we reach the, I'm gonna label, just label it backwards n. Until we reach the null byte. And then the null byte is a signifier that once we add another one, we're on the next type string, and we can go to the next one until we reach the offset. So the offset for this will be 1. So yeah, I can make a simple convert function for that. In fact, I have multiple times, because this does something very similar to that. So what I'll do is I'll build a convert type. I'll call type code to name. Okay, so to convert the type code to name, we're going to need RX will contain the type code, so we just need RSI, the known type codes, and MOV RDI, the known type strings. So first of all, we need to find the known type codes, so we can just do a dot find code offset. Now, this will be relatively simple. So first of all, we check if whatever inside, if what's inside of RSI is 0xFF. If so, it doesn't exist, and we need to just say dot. Oh my god, dot invalid. And we'll do MOV RX 0, meaning it failed, because 0 is the only one we don't use. Dot find code offset, dot invalid. Okay, anyways, now that's first check we do. Second check we do is we compare RSI to byte. A byte. It should be an AL. Oh my god. AL. And if it is the same in these two, we say that we have in fact found it. So we do found off 8. Well, found offset, okay? So once we find this offset, and we'll just do increment to RSI jump dot find code offset. Okay, another thing we've got to do actually real quick is we need to do XOR RCX and RCX to clear RCX. So we'll increment RCX here, if I can spell. And essentially, we're doing this algorithm I described over here. So we're currently, this line of code checks if it's the end of the array. we can actually look up here to see how it's defined. So that is checking for this here, which means we've reached the end, and if we've reached there, it doesn't exist. And if we go back here, this is simply checking if whatever's inside of basically RAX, but it's mostly AL, is equal to this. So we need to check the non-type codes, not really checking these yet. So non-type code. So if AL is 1, it will stop here, and if AL is 2, it will stop here, and if it's 3, it will say it's an invalid type. Okay? Then, don't worry about all the errors, that's just my fucking IDE being, how I describe it is a fucking bitch. Yeah, it's for some reason I'm trying to compile to a, 16-bit file. I don't know why, I actually can't tell you. Oh, also chat, I actually uninstalled, I installed a, Linux debugger if we really need it, but I don't think it's that needed if I'm being real. Okay, so once we found the offset, we're going to use... Okay, so we're gonna have to do the dot get string. Bro, my controller disconnected. What the hell? Bro. There we go. Anyways. Dot get string. Okay, so what we do here is, in this loop, we compare. Oh my god. How am I so bad at typing and yet not bad at typing at the same time? Anyway, so we'll compare our DI byte 0, and if it is not byte 0, we'll do good string root, and then we'll increment RDI. We assume each name is at least 2 characters. That should be fine, and that's including the null byte. So I mean, unless your type definition is literally I, this should always work, and even so that would work. It'd have to be 2 null bytes for this to fail, which is invalid anyways. That can't happen. And then okay, so we're simply, after we do this, we are in the next string, so we just increment RDI again to move to the next string, and we decrement CX jump dot get string loop. No, this should be jump if not 0. Okay, so then yeah, after we do that, we can just move MOV RAX RDI, and RDI should contain, hopefully, the address that we're looking for, and we can just return, and then we can, now we know what registers, oh hi, hello there chat, now we know what registers we are using, so we can push them to the stack. Hello there, member of chat, I'm kind of programming, as you can see. CX push D. I'm just gonna push all of them to the stack because I'm probably gonna use them later anyways. RAX, BX, CX. We don't use any of the we don't use any of the like 10 and stuff. We don't use any of them yet. The main reason being that I'm actually so used to 32-bit assembly that I just don't actually see a need from them. I just like it to me. It just seems redundant because I know how to just space out the registers to the point where it doesn't matter. So I don't know. We don't push RX because that's our return value. We don't need to push that. Okay. Now after doing that, we need to pop RDI, pop RSI, RSI. Oh my god, bro, I misclicked again. RSI, pop, nope, pop, nope. But the downside to not being able to see my keyboard chat. RDX, no, that's EDX, RDX, pop, RCX, a pop. RBX, bro, BX. One sec, I gotta check something, chat. I gotta check something real quick. Okay. But people need to stop messaging me on Discord for like 5 seconds. Nah, it's fine. Anyways, we just gotta copy all these. We could make a small function for this, but that wouldn't really make much sense. 8. So now, as I was just saying, I don't really see a use for the higher register numbers here, as I feel like they gotta slow us down a lot. So now if we get the type code name, I swear, chat, bro. You know what? Whatever. This is unbelievable, chat. Okay. Anyways, as I was saying, now all we need to do is we need to mark its inputs. So this will let me find inputs RX AU int 8 underscore T. Oh my god. And this will be the type code. So, and still I believe what? I'm very what does that meant to mean? I forgot the context. You're gonna have to remind me. Okay, now if I get the type code to name. How do I so check a valid type? I need to so this is unbelievable, chat, unbelievable. Oh my god. But one sec, I need to sit up. Anyways. But my controllers are being annoying. Bro, stop. Nope. There we go. Anyways, now. Okay, so now that we can get the type code to name, do we have a function to actually get the type code from get function type? Okay, yes, we do. So now if we go down here, okay, so now if we go down here, we can do, we need to, now, you might say this is a good use for the extra registers we get. And I'd say you're right, but I also am not bothered. 8, get function type from first letter address. It's unbelievable, chat. Okay, so my god. What the get function type? Yeah, okay, so IX has a code in it. So all I gotta do is I gotta call con convert function type convert type code to name. Then we mov rsi to rx call print not terminated string, and we also compare rx to 0. And then in the error handling, do you have any errors for this? I'll just make this je dot test. Oh my god, test failed. Let's try that. Void. I mean, chat, it kinda worked. Why did segmentation fall after that? Huh. Chat, I might know why. Okay, so what I need to do actually is when it says void and stuff, I need to actually convert typecode to name. And then this will output. Fuck up. RX, oh my god, char pointer to char pointer, and the char pointer will contain the name. Okay. So, why is it... Okay, why are we getting a segmentation fault now? What? Bro. So it can't be here because... We fix all that. Make sure this is in the right order. It seems to be. Chat, I don't know what I'm doing, but I also kind of know at the same time. I don't know. So we do the scan loop. We scan through the whole thing. We check if it's valid type. We do the after function check, which means we've confirmed it is a function. We're trying to grab info from it. What would happen? Okay, first of all, let's try just doing something like this, where we go like... We don't print it, but we do... Okay, so... Something to do with running this line here. Bro, I lost my keyboard. Yeah, something to do with calling this line here is breaking it. What? Oh, this is breaking it. So this, I think, you know what? This might actually be corrupting RSI. Let's have a look. Bro. Ah, what the fuck? My VR flickered. That was weird. Anyways, where the fuck is this defined? Up here? Push RSI? Push RSI. Pop RSI. That's right. I don't see what's wrong here. What is wrong here? What? What? So it's RSI first, then RDI. Well, I found the issue, guys. Try that. Okay, it works, chat. It works. I'm just that good. Now, we go back to the bottom. We call these, and then we'll call the print not terminated string after moving MOV RSI RAX, and then we revert that last second. Try that. Segmentation fault call dumped. But why? What the fuck is this doing? Chat, I'm confused. What's going on? Wait, okay, wait. Let's actually think about this. What registers are we touching here? We're touching RAX. Is RAX used for anything outside of this function? I mean, one good way to test that is if we just put a... Did that fix it? Nope. Okay, well... But... It is only with the second run, which means something about the first one breaks it so the second one doesn't work. But what? Pop. Push. Pop. Push. Pop. Okay, that makes sense. Are we missing a push anywhere? Okay, so we got push here, that pops here, we push it here. That pops here, we push here, we pop down here. Okay, that's fine. Now that we've confirmed that's not a stack issue, we need to confirm what it is. It could be this. Okay, well, one thing I'm gonna try is, oh my fucking god. Yeah, so if I and then I'll just, I don't know, test failed STR. Does that work? Okay, that does work. Okay, so then that confirms that there's something to do with this. So if I just do this unrelated to whatever's happening here. Okay, so something about this breaks the rest of the environment. Boo. Oh! I'm a bit jump scared. Hello there, member of chat. I need water. It's so hot. How long was that message there for? Because I'm be honest, I was like locked in on the code. Okay, so now we need to see what this is breaking. So no, okay, that's fine. Let's have a look. See. No, we don't need that, but I think it's this that's breaking it. So let's have a look. Okay, so we're doing RDI, RSI, RDX, RCX, RBX. So it's the same. I don't. What am I missing here? XRDI. Okay, that might. Bro, chat. What am I missing? Okay. Do you push anything else here to the stack? Nope. Relatively simple function. So BX, DX, DX, SI, DI. There's nothing else really to push to the stack. I'm confused, chat. I just don't understand. I know the function of file. What is this breaking? That's my main question. The only thing it touches is RAX. I think. Actually, here's an idea. Okay, what do we use outside of this loop? We use RSI and RDI. So if we're already keeping RSI safe, but if I push RDI here, push RDI, and we pop RDI down here. No buttons. RDI. If we do that, is it working? What do you mean segmentation fault? Okay, but where are we in this seg fault? It's gonna be really hard to test, actually, chat. How are we gonna test that? Okay, so this is known type code, this is known type strings. So it worked the first time, but it didn't work the second time. The first time was with a void. The second time would be with an int, which is a 0 index in the thing. So I have an idea, chat. We have to up here compare. When we find the offset, we need to compare RCX to 0, and if so, JE dot. We'll call this dot exit. But I can't spell when in VR, anyways. So, do you get the idea, chat? Think that worked? Okay. Now, all I simply have to do is instead of printing that, we go to RAX and hey chat, look at that. Perfect. It's saying the main function is a void, which we can check in here. It's in fact true. It isn't void. And the test function is a void, and the main function is an int, which is true. Now, let me format that better. So, we can remove this now, right? So it turns out it wasn't the outside of this; it was the that's actually. See, this is why assembly is complicated, because there's so many competing factors, and like that. I wish I had a better debugger for this, but I wish I had like a real-time debugger that was better than GDB. Like it could show me more data. Ow, fuck. But it's also probably just the fact that I don't know how to use GDB. Does that make any sense, chat? Like, the fact that I don't know how to use GDB is fucking me over here. Anyways, as I was saying, so after we do the function check, we want to reformat this. So we want to pop this up here. I'm missing a push. I mean, if I just run that, it's gonna say fault for sure, right? Never mind, it did not. Okay, I'm pushes here. There's a pop here. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let me format this better. I can assembly to put the things that are related close together, kind of like this. So then I can actually see what it's doing, you know what I mean? And actually, I'm gonna make a, is there a invalid type error? I'm gonna make an invalid type error. Invalid type str, call print, print null terminated string, and then we will move the ix60 for exit, and move the rdi1, and we'll syscall, and then we can just, if on here we can just do a invalid type error. But anyways, now what we're gonna need here is I want to have a space between, instead of just being a void test function, I want to actually have a space in between it. I mean, I'm not bothered making another function to do this, so I'm literally just going to make a space strdb. Now, this is not the right way to do it, but it probably will work, so it's fine. So now, when we print this null terminated string, we can also do mov rsi space str and call print null terminated strings. Now it does this. There we go. Looking better. Now we want to get the inputs to this. Okay. So for this, it goes string brackets, and then the test function. I want to have two inputs. We'll have int t1 and int I can't fucking type, bro. What's wrong with me? Why can't I type? T2. Okay, so now first of all we'll just get what's in between here and here, because that's easy, and then we need to pass that. So my idea is we can check for this symbol here. That's checking how many of these there are, and for each one of this symbol here, so we can go through and we can look for a space. Now this space is the identifier that this is the type. We can go through, check if it's a valid type, because we have a function for that already. We check if int is a valid type. It is a valid type. It's in fact 1 in my code. We go store that in a function in a header file, and not a header, in a fucking structure I'm about to make. And then we go to the comma, and then we go through all the spaces until we reach a non-space, and then we do the exact same thing. Okay, so now Yeah, so we're gonna have to basically build. I'll build a new function for this. Process function inputs. Now, there's a few things we're gonna have to do here. Okay. So step uno. We're going to. Well, for one, we're gonna decide what the register is gonna be equal to. I think IX should be equal to the char pointer of the start of the function. Okay, so first of all, we are going to have to. Now, by here, we're gonna put a warning here. Warning if not ran on a function. Hey, fuck. Nope. I can't see my keyboard. Could cause seg fault. I would add protections for this, but that sounds like too much effort. Comes from the person building the compiler. Anyways. Now, very basic thing we gotta do is we have to design the format. Okay, so with the number of function headers. Now the number of function headers had 8 bytes reserved for this. The local defines, okay? So the local defines, it's gonna kind of work like a format like this. So the local defines PTR, okay? It's kind of go. This is unrelated, but I just want to get this done. It's gonna have the number inputs 8 bytes. My god, bro, how'd I get this bad at spelling? Anyways, and then it will also have the. It will have a uint 64. Bro. There. Bro, how do I literally looked at my keyboard. There we go. Uint, okay, we'll have a uint 64t pointer, and then this will be the inputs. Nope. Where's P? There we go. Now, we're gonna have to have a inputs. Yeah. Okay. So in the local defines, actually, we're gonna have to have. Yeah. So this can. Yeah. The local defines can do the inputs actually. So it is related. Or it wasn't is related, and it was all along. My bad. My bad, chat. We'll lock in a second. My god, I'm still waking up. Yeah, the local defines, and then the local defines we'll do that later. That will take some effort. Now, so we do the number inputs, that's 8 bytes, and we'll do the inputs, which is the uint64t. So we'll start with RX. So if it's the start of the function, we need to dot. Oh my god. Dot find it burrow in. Okay, so we'll just. Oh my fucking god. Increment RX, compare RX 2 bytes brackets, and if RX is not equal to this, JNE, and dot find inputs. Okay, first step is done. We are currently finding that, and then so currently if we look into this file over here, we are currently here. We need to increment it by 1 to get to the first input. Increment RX. Actually, we'll do. How about this? We'll do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we'll do a dot while. Oh my god. How about just a offset? Bro, what's the fuck? one sec, guys. Until offset until not space. Bro, what the fuck's actually what's wrong with me? Anyways. Okay, so this is basically what this function will do. I think that's relatively self-explanatory, but basically we are offsetting until not space. So from here, we are currently here. So we want to offset. We're on this letter right here. So we want to offset by 1, and then we'll offset until not space. So we'll do increment ix, and then we'll call dot offset until not space, to ensure that if someone was, I don't know, just spamming space here, it doesn't break the whole thing. Then so we find the inputs. What else is needed here? So we'll find we find the initial input pointer. Then we're going to want to go to the next space and check if what we found is in fact a type. That's what it is. Yes. So to do that, we'll do dot scan type loop, scan types loop. Okay, now the scan types loop, I'm gonna open up Paint because that's the easiest way to explain what I'm doing. Layers, can I new, remove, oh my fucking god, black. Okay, there we go. Now what we are going to do basically is, if we look at the file here too at the same time, we're going to, so here's the bracket, and we've got an int, and it's called t. So first of all, we need to also be able to support if there's a comma and then another int, you know what I mean? Normal stuff. T2. So if there's int t and int t2, to get t, first of all, we'll go here to here, and then here there'll be a null space. Okay, well, not really null space, there'll be just a space, blank space. Now this we are going to check for, and we'll check everything before, and we're actually going to override this with a 0, as we're never going to use this again in the code realistically, because we're going to have to define anyways the functions. So I'm going to override it with a 0 in memory to basically make the caching faster if we actually do need it. So what we'll do is, it also makes my job easier. So okay, we just okay, so we need to increment until. So okay, so we'll do find. Oh, how the fuck am I this bad at typing? Nope, bro, it's different every fucking day. How am I meant to adjust to this? I can't fucking see my keyboard. Anyways, find function. Yeah, so we'll need to find the input end. Okay, so that's pretty easy. We'll just increment RAX. Increment RAX. We don't really need to check for brackets yet until we start getting to error checking and shit. Nope, byte. And then we just need to check for this, and if it is equal to, and if it's not equal to, dot find input end. Okay, so when it is, MOV bro RAX 0. Okay, so we replace it with a 0. Then up here XOR RCX, and down here we're going to be incrementing RCX with it. And as we increment RCX, we're going to take that into account, because now we're going to subtract our AX with RCX and then call check if valid type. And the check if valid type, what input does it take? If valid type takes RSI, okay. So the check if valid type, we can actually just do MOV RSI RAX. Now if compare EAX 0, if it is not equal to 0, we call dot invalid type. And then if it does not equal to non-zero valid. Okay, so if it is equal to, if not equal to, my bad. So if is equal to 0, okay, if it is in fact equal to 0, let's have a look. See, we increment RAX, increment but my mind is not working, it's too hot in here. Anyways, we increment RX, we increment RCX, we subtract it, we make sure to set that bit to 0, we check if it's a valid type, and if it is a valid type, we need to get the type code from it, which is again relatively easy, because now we actually have a string in RAX, so we can call convert type code. No, we need to convert name to type code. We have a convert name to type code function. How do we get a convert name to type code? Bro, where's the okay, how does this do it? Okay, we're gonna have a convert name to type code. So convert name to type code. And to convert the name to type code, we just need to get the offset and then add by that offset, which is very similar to what we did in this function actually, when we found the offset. Okay, so we literally just dot offset find loop MOV, oh my, MOV RSI function. Bro, actually something's wrong. Why can't I fucking type? Function? I forgot what the fuck the function was called. I think it's called what the fuck? Known type strings. Compare. Yeah, so MOV RDI. We'll set this RX. Call compare strings RSI null terminator. Compare EAX. Oh my fucking god, 0. If it is not equal to 0, it's valid. If it is, okay, so jump if not 0, and then we can do dot exit. Otherwise, we'll call an error. If we increment. Okay, yeah, so when we do this, we're also gonna have to down here dot next string find dot increment RSI compare RSI byte 0 If RSI is not equal to 0, we find the next string. And if it is equal to 0, we add 1 to RSI to then jump to the dot offset find loop. And when we do this, we'll also compare RSI to bytes 0xFF, and if it is, this has a better spot up here actually. No, wait, it makes sense here, because if we look to the main function, there's 0 and then there's this, so it should work. Not main function, main file. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but anyways, so RSI byte 0. And then check that, and then if this is true, JE will run dot invalid type error. That won't be a dot, that should be a, okay, well, JE dot invalid type error. And then this whole time, each time we find a new string to go to, we'll actually keep track of that. So XOR CX, CX, and then down here we will increment our CX. Now over here, yep, once we find it, literally all we have to do is MOVRAX in brackets after setting MOV RSI to the known type codes. RAX is equal to RSI plus RCX. Done. No, we're not done. We just gotta make sure we use push to make sure that all these don't change anything. Hey, oh my fucking god, PUSH RSI push. Oh, what the fuck is, oh my god, what's wrong with me today? DI, oh my god, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, now on exit, why are we doing that here? Exit's down here. That's how we get the output, and then all we need to do is pop P bow. I can't fucking see my keyboard. Pop DI. Pop. Nope, that's still not how you fuck. P nope, O P RSI I P nope, still nope. Oh, nope, still working on it. Yep, finally. RCX. Bro, how consistently am I gonna mess that up? I can't consistently break it every fucking time. I don't need that. Return. Now, if I try running that, do we segfault? Well, I guess there's one way to find out, huh? Okay, yep. So now, if it isn't of invalid type, takes an RAX, right? Yeah, RAX. Call dot bro, how am I? CO convert name of type to type code. After we get the type code, we need to hello there, Luca the Ripper. We're doing a bit of programming first before we go back into gaming. Probably be doing gaming for the last 2-ish hours of the stream, which I think I've only been streaming for like an hour-ish. I don't fucking know. Let me go check. I've been streaming for an hour. Yep, makes sense. Is there anything you want to talk about? I'll try to look at chat every now and again to actually pay attention. Just I don't know, say something in chat and I'll respond. I don't fucking know. It's most professional streamer things, you see. Let's have a look here. So once we convert the name to a type code, we don't need to check if that's invalid because we already checked if it's valid before that. And if we're getting 0 here, we're just fucked at it. And at that point, it's over for us. But it's just not saying anything. But it's like, I'm back, and then leaves. Like, how interesting. Anyways. Convert name to convert. Oh, wait, didn't I time them out last stream? Is that why they're saying that? I forgot about that. Anyways. So after we do that, we'll need to store. We need to store this somewhere. Where are we gonna store this? We'll add a max theoretical amount of input to a function. And yeah, so we'll do down here, we'll create a temp input, and then this will be okay, so we're gonna reserve 20 inputs, so each can take a max of 20 inputs, which I personally think is a ridiculous amount, but we do have to support that much, okay? No matter if anyone's gonna use it, we should support that high, because if someone's just doing it weirdly, we need to make sure it's still working. We're not using... I'll use, Bro, what the actually, bro, I actually think something's wrong with me. I can't, for the life of me, type. Just, bro, M, okay, we got M. O, we got V. M-O-V. R, D, I, temp, inputs. There we go. We got temp inputs chat. If chat's even still here, but did bro actually just type? I'm back. Never mind, I'm out. My god. Anyways, I think after we get this function done, anyways, I'm gonna switch back to gaming. Mainly because, while this is fun and all, it is exhausting, and it is also 12:30 at night. Well, that's also just because gaming can be more fun at times. It's also more entertaining. So we've got a void test function. We've got an int main. So we've got RDI. We cannot use RDI now, so we can only use RSI for a lot of things. Which I need to drink water. What the fuck? Water time. Remember, stay hydrated or you will literally die. Quite literally, you will die if you're not hydrated, so make sure to stay hydrated. I gotta fix my headset because it's slightly off balance now. Okay, so we can... Swear, whatever. Anyways, we convert the name to a type code. Then, after we grab that, we write that to our RDI. But oh, actually, what the fuck is wrong with me? Like, how? Why is it so hard? That should be AL. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Then we need to write byte AL. Okay, make any sense so far, chat? Now it is time to we'll increment RDI. So now buy is still AO and shit. Okay, makes sense so far. Then take a valid type. Invalid type, convert the time into a code. We store that, and then you'll never believe it, chat. I'm actually going to use one of the new registers. R8, whatever. R8. That seems like it will work fine. R8. We need to store. Nope. Still no. Oh my, increment R8. Okay. And then yeah, so that's it. And then we need to go back to the loop until until our AX. Yes, we need to go now until we find. So we call dot. So we got the name that we can grab that later. Yeah, you know what? I'm not even gonna finish this function. I'm sick of programming today. Let's move on to some Minecraft, huh? Let's go back to some Minecraft. Okay, let's fix my shit now. Minecraft time. Minecraft time. Oh shit, I can't see my keyboard. But it's really hard to focus when you're programming in assembly for so long, so I like to mix it around now. Cool. Hey, yeah, Minecraft. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's go play some Minecraft, chat. Now we gotta hope that the stream doesn't crash when I do this. One sec. One sec. I actually gotta blank my screen for a second. Fuck. Bro, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, bro, minimize that. Okay, I'm back. We let's launch the game, and I don't know. Let's go play some Minecraft. Should we actually get some progress done, or should we just still be being stupid? I think being stupid is the way to go. Full screen. Okay. Oh shit. My game almost crashed. Okay. So, we stopped here last time. I didn't remember stopping here, but I also am kind of stupid, so like... first priority, we need to start making food stat. Fuck. We need to make food stat. Food time. Food, yummy. I don't know why my eyes hurt so bad. Man, it's almost like I have a huge VR headset strapped to my head. And that is out of focus, like basically 24/7. Now, I did find last stream that after around 2 to 3 hours, the headset tended to get really unstable, so just hope that doesn't happen this time. I didn't do anything to stop it, but I mean, I have a few theories on what could have happened last stream, chat. Last stream, I believe what happened was my quest began to overheat. And I have a few reasons for my theory. My first reason is because, well, that's not really sensitive, but the fans were going off really loudly. But am I actually schizophrenic? Bro, what? Anyways, let me yeah, one sec. Why technical difficulties? Bro, hey. No way, this is crazy, bro. No response. Wait, am I? Okay, that's good. But my eyes kind of hurt so bad, but we're staying here for now. Very interesting. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and play Minecraft, whatever. Back to Minecraft time. Oh shit. Okay, so by looking at the brightness around me in the game, it looks like it's already becoming night. Kind of fucked. What's I think it might be over first, chat. Simply fantastic. I'm not gonna sleep. I'm staying to what I said last time. We are not gonna sleep one time in this whole playthrough. Although what day is in the game? Oh fuck, no, on keys. I'm free. What day is in the game? Day 2. Okay, so by next stream we'll be screwed over. Nice. I'm gonna build a boat. That's gonna allow me to travel around faster, obviously. A boat. Where are we going? Nobody knows. What gold we have? Nobody knows. This way. Yeah, boat time. Oh, like that. Imagine being a zombie and not having a boat. Like, oh my god, absolute skill issue. I'm pretty sure there's nothing here. Let's see if we can find the ocean. Oh, this is dizzying. Let's see if we can find the ocean, by the way. That'll be very helpful. Man. Oh, that sound just terrifies me instinctively. Did I drop something? Nah, just don't even think about it. Just go. This is honestly this Generation's actually kind of beautiful. Like, there's like huge as mountains, and they all create like a huge crack in the ground. Oh, I got this, chat. I got this. I'm a professional race car driver, chat. No, I'm not. I was a professional race car driver in the previous lives. Don't worry, we got this. Oh shit, I think that's a dead end. You think there's any dry ice anywhere, chat? You think we can find some ice nearby to ride on? For now, it seems like this continues, but it looks like the waterway is getting thinner and thinner, so we might cut off soon. And that's gonna get concerning. I still refuse to use a bed to this day, though. I refuse to use a bed. We're gonna die in this world before we use a bed, which we probably will because there's phantoms. We don't need that bed. Ooh, we got this, chat. We got this. We got this. What the hell is that? Oh shit, okay. Oh no! Hey, look, it's a skeleton. Let's see if we can outrun him. Give me a skeleton. Man. Oh! Ah! Skeleton, imagine missing. Oh shit, that was close. Bro can't shoot underwater. Actually, Bro kinda can. What the hell? How is Bro trying to shoot me from under the water? Under the sea. No, actually, that's the incorrect version. Fun fact, the song was originally meant to be pronounced with a little bit of an accent. So it actually goes under the sheets. Under the sheets, where wonderful things happen. I mean, ask your mom, she would know plenty about that. I remember seeing this parody of Under the Sea that would do like program in C. I mean, it made good points, but I mean, Assembly's better, guys. Assembly's not better than C, but it is kind of funny. Oh shit, we're doing some drifting. Yeah. Man. Hey guys, I'm dead. Fuck, I think this is closing off, guys. We got this, guys. We got this. I think what we're gonna do here is, because I'm trying to make a plan of what we're gonna do for the next few hours in my head. I think what we're gonna do here is, I think until about 1:30 we'll play Minecraft, and then until, are we going in a big circle, by the way? I think I've been here before. Anyways, I think until about 1:30 we'll play Minecraft, and then we'll go back to programming. Because I just kind of need a break from programming. So I noticed what happens is I start to get a little tired from programming. Yes, you return. Hello there. Yeah, we kind of started playing Minecraft. Mainly because, as I was in the middle of saying, bro, that cow scared me. I thought it was a mob. As I was saying, I need to take a break from programming, especially stuff that's challenging for me to program. I need to take breaks every now and again so I don't just burn myself out for the day. Currently, I'm in the water to avoid being attacked. But since there's a village nearby, I think I should be safe-ish here. And I'm still not allowing my character to sleep. Okay? That's one thing. The character's not allowed to sleep, not even once. So... what's next? I need that guy's red stat. How... Well... I get worn out quite easily, and the main thing that wears me out, which is kind of funny, although I like doing it, is kind of the explaining what I'm doing bit. But oh shit, never mind, don't go that way. Yeah, but now sometimes the explaining bit takes a bit more energy, but also I kind of like doing the explaining bit too, which is just kind of like live stream, and I also just kind of stream because I'm passionate about programming. I like programming. Could you guess that, chat? Could you guess that I like programming? What's furnace? Should we go to the... Should we just go to the ocean and just go, like, off to some place? Should we just go until we find something in the ocean? Never would have considered that. Unbelievable. You know what, screw this. I'm just gonna make another, let's go. I'm just gonna head right this way until we find something, chat. What do you think is gonna be the first thing we find, chat? Oh my god. For some reason, the game can make really cursed music and it always freaks me out. Never considered that. Tried and drown. Yeah, I ain't getting that. We're just going straight until we find something, okay? Usually we ain't gonna go straight here, but I mean, oh shit, this is lagging out my computer. But I'm maxing out my CPU right now. I'm CPU maxing, guys. Hey chat, I'm CPU maxing. Oh shit. An infinite abyss of ocean. Kind of funny, huh? In every direction, all there is water. And yet, I'm just here on some paddle boat. Headed about this looks closer to about 3 to 4 meters a second, which is incredibly strong. Bro, Minecraft characters are like crazy strong. Like, Minecraft Steve, like, he could kill you by just, like, flicking you in the face with his fingers. Like, it's like, because, like, you do not understand. Bro can hold more mass than the Earth contains in his pockets and still run around like nothing's going on. Your head would explode. Yeah, bro would kill you immediately. Okay. Anyways, as I was saying, it looks like the current plan is we'll play Minecraft till about 1:30, and then if I have the energy, we'll go back to programming. If not, we'll just probably talk for a bit. I went I got nothing on Steve. Yeah, that's what we were saying around these parts. Can you hear me? Just scrolling. Do you have to unlock a master real quick, guys? Oh. Nice. Bro, I don't know where I'm going anymore, and all I know is lagging out my computer, and that... Oh, that's an ocean monument. You see that, chat? I keep my... Oh, we found land! New land! New land achieved. Where do you think we'll go? Bro, this world is gonna go nowhere. I swear, every time we stream this world, I just end up running in some direction, almost dying, somehow surviving, and then just running. My whole newfound land. Okay, I'm gonna need cocoa seeds. That's actually called, yeah, cocoa beans. We're running worryingly low on food. There's no indigenous people to enslave. That historically accurate. Accurate. But I think something's actually wrong with me today. But I cannot speak English today. I can't type either. Although I seem to be able to play the game fine. Like, look at this. I think I still have sticky keys enabled though, so I'm gonna try not to press shift. Oh. How the hell did I just do that? Was it running? Nope. New Minecraft skins. You know, I'm kind of impressed that my computer's handling. Oh my god, I died. Anyways, kind of impressed that my computer's handling VR chat, OBS, and Minecraft, and all the other shit I've opened in the background. But why is it just a flat wall? Like, did you see that down there? Like, it's just straight up a flat as wall. As your resident potato user, mind blown. Should have some fire over there. Not fire, lava. But I have nothing to do in this game. I'll be honest, there isn't much stuff to do in this game. Because I don't like grinding that much. I'm not a very grindy gamer. I played Valheim so much that it got me off of grindy games. Speed run. Nah. Sounds like effort. Plus, imagine speedrunning in a hardcore world is crazy. I have an idea for food. Get out of here. Okay, now that we got food sorted. Breb. Swouse. Bo. I don't know where to go. I'm kind of just running aimlessly. I have no aim. I have no goal. Oh, dog. I just gotta think logically here. How can I kill all? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, dogs. I want butter. Bro, get this fucking dog here. Sorry, buddy. Oh. Oh. Shit. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna have a heart. That was a close call. That was a close call, guys. Close as call. What was I doing? I don't fucking know anymore. You need to die and fall down. That would be pretty funny. Oh, another wolf. Hey, look, another wolf. They will all die. I will kill all of them step by step. Wolf by wolf. They shall all die one by one. I actually have nothing against dogs. I actually own a dog. Combat is like... Yeah, I don't have a shield yet. Can you just like hear me like just spamming random keys on my keyboard, just hoping I get some relative movement that looks somewhat professional? I saw some movement down there. I'm gonna go check that out. Okay. Let's go check out some movement I saw down in that area down there. Okay. Members of chat, what do we do? You know it'd be really funny, chat? It'd be really funny if I got like a trusted member of chat or something to like install a ton of unknown mods or something. But then the twist is like all of them are like mods that mess with me. So like one will just like randomly make trees to like, do that Herobrine thing, and others like what do we do? Your mod, yeah. I mean, it's what we're always doing. Like, come on, that's what we always do around these parts. Oosh! I almost died. Bro, why is no more dogs to kill in the game? Like, come on. What am I meant to do for fun in this game? Come on, I just want to murder some dogs. I just want to murder some dogs. Dogs. Yeah, just some dogs. What do you do? Your mother. Hey, chat, I found your mother, guys. I found your mother, chat. Anyways, moving on. Unfriended worst streamer. What kinds of chill for killing dogs? Hey, we do plenty of things here around these parts. How did I take fall damage? But I took fall damage from landing in a boat, guys. Bro, I got nothing to do in this game. We spin in circles. Oh shit, that's making me feel so dizzy. Bro, why am I doing that in VR? Okay. Well, I'm bored. Let's figure out something else to do. Save and quit. Oh shit. Look to DMs, my bad. But why was that open? Anyways. Discord leaked. Bro, all you're gonna see is that I have some banger iced coffee, okay? Bro, I think you're talking to yourself, chat. Yeah, I can confirm you are in fact talking to yourself, because if I can just move this, can confirm talking to yourself. It is what to be fair, it is like 1 PM on like a weekday in most places. So yeah, it does make sense that there is less people than there was yesterday, because a lot of people are probably working. Like if I go US time, it's 9 in the morning on a Monday US time. I wonder why there's no one from the US watching right now. Unemployment out. Yeah, just be unemployed, guys. If we go if we just go a time England, if we got England time, it's 2 PM there. So you know it kind of makes sense. I mean, technically speaking, my streams will end at like 5 p.m. So I mean, am I getting in trouble for Twitch because there's code in the background, but I'm not actually touching the code. But I'm in the just chatting category. Like, what category do I go into? There's code in the background, but I'm not. That's not the main focus right now. What do I do, chat? You know, let's go back to programming. Why not? Yeah, I do agree though. Employment L, just be unemployed, slowly lose all your money, go bankrupt, lose your home, and then be homeless. It's that easy, guys. Hey. Lang, X86 assembly. Boop. There we go. Hey. Change my category again. Soft. Like, hopefully everyone in chat right now, but anyways. Okay. I don't know if chat's still here, but, we are in software development. Chat, type 1 if you're still here, because I actually don't know if you're still here. I guess we'll never know. 1, okay, chat is still here, that's good. Okay, so chat, you may realize that I remembered we have more than the normal registers, too. You may realize that, chat, what are you counting up to? You may realize, well, we're using a bit more of the real registers, chat just counting up, that's just their hobby or something, I don't fucking know now. Okay, so we get the types. We'll increment the types, we'll make sure to write the types. What else do we do? We need to get to the next comma. Compare. It's a dot. Next. Oh, 8. Find 8. Next. Input. Okay, so we need to either find a comma. Oh my! I just don't want to. I just don't feel really dizzy. I don't know why. Let's go. Last few days I've just been. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. He def the universe 5, 6. What? Bro, I think I'm having a heat death right now. Like, oh my days, it's so hot here. I swear, chat better not say anything stupid like that. If someone in chat goes, "Oh, is that because of me?" I will actually kill you. People, if you don't live in Australia, you wouldn't get it. Only true Chads have summer in summer in December. Only true Chads. Find next input. That's right. I'm calling every country that is on the northern hemisphere. I'm calling every country that's in the northern hemisphere a what's that word? Wojak. That's the right word, I think. Maybe. Hold up. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Byte. IX. Wait. That's not right. Why are we doing that? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Anyways. Yeah. And then I was in a room with a small space heater directly next to me all day long. Small space heater is known as my computer. You know, I wonder why I feel dizzy. On an unrelated note, chat. Do you know why I feel a little bit dizzy, chat? Also, did my title and shit change, by the way? Can you like tell me if it changed or not? Oh, good. Does that mean it changed? It's telling me it did change. I feel so nauseous. Huh. Well, I have no other words for this other than that this is just straight up wrong. Like, actual, just straight up wrong. Okay. But I sounded like a fucking engine that's starting. I'm like, I don't know why that happens. So this should be O-S-I. If you can't explain it in simple. Okay. Okay, so basically what we're doing is we're testing if the redstone torch is on or off, and we're testing what order the redstone torches are on or off in. And then we actually, let me bring this up here to try to explain it better. We actually have 64 of these redstone torches. This will be all 64 of them. Okay, just whatever. And then we have all 64 of these, and then this is in each register, so RAX, whatever. But then the actual things we're looking through here are 8 bits, so 8 redstone torches, and then there'll be next program. Do you next language to learn, or just next program? So each one of these is a letter. We encode these usually using ASCII. Yes, this will go to this one, then this will go to this one, and then this is a null byte. No, this one will probably go to this one, and then this one goes to this one. This one's a null byte. So then, say this is like H, A, and I, and then this is 0. You have a string that says H, A, and I, and then there's a null byte knowing how it is. The enchanting table is aligned. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. Next, in this video, we build a programming language using a Minecraft redstone computer. I mean, theoretically, it is possible. But does that mean it will be any enjoyable? And especially since my expertise, that will way out my expertise. All this binary talk, none of it makes sense. Bro, binary is easy to understand. I can read some binary, just give me a few seconds. And you also gotta tell me if it's a little big Indian. But that only really matters. There's multiple numbers. It gets confusing quickly. Anyways, get out of the binary. I'd rather stay in this binary right now because I'm programming. Okay, so we check. No, that's wrong. We are looking for a comma. Actually, so here I'm actually going to push. I'm gonna push IX to the stack. Yeah, so up here, push. Just chat, even though the stack is. Oh my god. Chad, do you know what the stack is? Now we can dot. In simple terms, think of the stack as like a temporary store of data. So like when I'm calling functions, whenever you see this return, it actually just like grabs the memory address from the stack and then returns to it. The stack is also, instead of a normal queue, it's the last one that was called. So say you have the return address here, then you put something else on the stack. Okay, so now there's two things on the stack. Then you call return. It will not take the bottom one. It will take this top one up here, meaning you've basically corrupted your pointer and you've crashed the program. But if you pop and then return, it will work fine. So that's a very basic explanation of what we're doing. But what are my fucking hands? Hands are not working. Hands no worky worky. So the find next input compare RAX to bytes. Increment. Okay, so now this should find the next input. And then we just need to call dot 8 dot offset until not space, but then also here we need to 8 bytes. We need to compare RAX to this, and if it is equal to that, we are exit. And dot exit. Okay. Make any sense, chat? Does this make any sense at all? Okay. Honestly, chat, I'm feeling a bit sick today, so I actually have to end my stream a bit earlier than normal. Bro, I'm just over fucking heating. Yeah. I'll still stream for 2 hours today, but I can't stream for any longer. It's just so boiling hot. Okay, chat. Man. Oh. Let's get this function done, okay, chat? Nah, we'll get this function done, this stream, and then we'll log off, okay? Jump. Dot. Find input. Okay, so basically we've made a huge loop. Doesn't work. I don't fucking know. We ain't taking time off till we got this shit working, okay? I mean, okay, so far, hey. So far, we just need to call this from, here. What is it? What do you input? Yeah, okay, so you input. What? Call process function. That's gonna say fault for sure. What? Dot invalid type 485. Wait, average black company be like? I'm be honest, I don't know what that's meant to mean. I might just be stupid, or I might just be clueless. Both. Oh, whatever. It's meant to be just J invalid type error. That makes sense. Is chat gonna explain? I need chat to War Master me here. Okay, you know what? Let's. I think we can do this better actually. We can. So actually, wait, for one, we call this function a lot, but we never return from it. Try that. Yeah, I'm gonna remake this function. I'm not gonna figure it out because I don't care enough to figure it out. Oh shit! Well, I need to make sure we're actually making it to the exit. We just go jump $sign because we are not restoring anything. Nope. Okay then. Okay. So let's so we need a dot get two inputs. Increment RAX compare RAX byte this jump from 0 get to inputs. Okay, let's make sure this first part here works. JMP $sign. Copy that. What do you mean segmentation fault? Oh, never mind, chat. I'm just stupid. I need oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Good. Okay. Now we'll need to start the loop by. We need to dot process input. So first things first, we need to get the type. So this will be a function. So we'll call a dot process input. Now process input will do a few simple things. So yeah, this will expect RSI to be the chart pointer. Start of definition. We need to keep the name, but we can throw that out for now because it's not really used for much until you actually start allowing referencing and start running code and stuff. But to process the input, so we move there, and then yeah, we'll need to RAX one more. Then we need to RSI start define. So it will be in here. Well, for one issue is that we don't have the string define. And yeah, that's the main issue, chat. We don't have the fucking string defined, so we can't do that properly. But yeah, what I can do actually is I can just have a db string. Nope. 0 dB3. Okay. Chat, are you picking up on a pattern here? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Nah, I can't get this function working today. Well, we made relatively negligible things in today's stream, but maybe I'm just, what the fuck? Huh. That's an issue I'm gonna have to fix. Do you see that, chat? I'll fix that next stream. But anyways, I'm out of here, chat. I fight trash. It's so warm right now. But I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll make sure to stream tomorrow. Basically, I'm streaming every day. Basically. Anyways, bye.